In this video, we are going to see how to fix VALORANT error code VAN-79. First step, completely close your client and VALORANT, then restart your device. Once the restore complete after, move on with next step. Open run and type the following text, services.msc. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. One more time right click and click restart. Once the restore complete after, close it. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for real client and VALORANT. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application not having means you need to add the application. For adding the application, click allow another app. Click C drive. Riot Games folder. Click VALORANT folder. You get the VALORANT application. Come back. Go to Riot Client folder. You get the Riot Client application. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and enable both private and public. Once enabling after, click OK in the bottom side. Close it, then move on with next step. Open Riot Client. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the VALORANT settings. Scroll down. Click repair and start repair. Wait for some time. It's actively repairing your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, you need to check for any update is available or not. If update is available means you need to update the application. Once update complete after, you need to restart your device. After restart you can check it. If the problem still remains, then move on with next step. Click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now. Click yes and reset. Thank you.